Kharyzma, and in today's video I have a special announcement. Yay! The moment that you all have been waiting for. I know for quite some time I have been telling you guys that I have a new product launch and my website Kharyzma4u is launching. Yay! Well, finally, I get to share with you what I will be launching on my new website, the new product that I've been talking about. So, drum roll. It is, let me show you rather than tell you. Lip gloss. Lip gloss, guys. Look, 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 look. Okay, I don't know. I'm trying to see if it's showing in the camera. Yeah, see right here my name, Kharyzma, Kharyzma4u. Lip gloss is my product that I'm launching on my website, Kharyzma4u.com. These are just two of the glosses that I have. And I also have squeeze tubes as well. These are two from my collection. My new collection has 10 colors, and I'll do a separate video on that, but I just wanted to show you the squeeze tubes. This one is clear. This one is Red Kiss. And you see my name on there, Kharyzma4u, Kharyzma4u lip gloss. And guys, this is my fall collection. It's called the Fall Vibes collection with fall colors. And I did a video on this one, and in the video you're gonna see exactly how I made these glosses. Yes, guys, I made the glosses myself. And these glosses are vegan, cruelty-free, and they are infused with oil that is very healthy and moisturizing for your lips. Trust me, guys. I have been trying to look for lip glosses that I like. I don't like the nasty, thick lip glosses that you get like from the discount store. Those don't work. And then I had other lip glosses that I would wear and they would irritate my lips. So I've always loved lip gloss. So I decided to make my own. And what I have on actually now is the Red Kiss. This is one of my favorite ones. Yes, it's popping. So yes, guys, this fall collection, actually, I've already started to send some out. And let me tell you the colors in the collection. This is Coffee Vibes. This one is Copper Vibes, and this one is Auburn Vibes. And again, it's from my fall collection, the Fall Vibes collection. And I'm gonna be launching in about 2 weeks. I don't have the exact date yet, but I will keep you posted. But make sure you go on the website, Kharyzma4u.com, and sign up because I'm going to be doing giveaways. Now that I've announced what my special product is, I'm gonna be doing giveaways. I've already started to, if you order on my Etsy shop, because you guys know I have a business, Kharyzma4u, where I make custom clothing, fashion, hair accessories, and stuff like that. I'm well known for my hair accessories, my satin bonnets, satin scarves, hair socks, head wraps, and things like that. For you guys, I will still have my Etsy shop. On my Kharyzma4u.com website, I'm going to also offer other things other than lip gloss. I'm gonna have my custom fashion on there. I'm gonna have my hair oil on there. I'm gonna have so many different things, but this, my lip gloss, is my exclusive product that I'm gonna be having. So my business is expanding, and Kharyzma4u is just gonna incorporate everything that the Kharyzma4u website is going to incorporate everything that I've been doing, and it's the place where you can get my lip gloss, my hair accessories, my custom clothing, my hair products that I'm making. So guys, I want to thank you all for supporting me. Those of you who've already signed up on the website with your email, Thank you so much. I'll be getting out to you all the information about our launch date. I've kept the process a secret because I wanted to focus on creating my lip glosses, taking care of all the paperwork, all the business, all the stuff behind the scenes before I started to announce. A lot of times we can announce things to people and then they don't get done, whether it is because people might not wish the best for you. Sometimes people try to talk you out of what you want to do. Sometimes you get a lot of negativity. So I'm definitely one for moving in silence, doing all the work, putting everything into what I want to do, and then when I am done with doing it, then I can share it with the world. So I just wanted to get this news out to you. It's been a while. Like, my process, I started sometime in March is when I thought about doing it. And then I actually started making the lip gloss in July, and I gave myself a couple of times to fail. Like, the first batch I made, which I recorded, so you will definitely get to see that video. The first batch of lip gloss that I made was too thin. It was like too runny. Like, I put too much oil in the mixture. It was still good, but it was supposed to be a lip gloss, not a lip oil. So I had to perfect it to make it thicker. And I didn't want it like thick, where, you know, it's so sticky on your lips. So I have what I think is the perfect consistency, and everyone is different. So I can't wait for you guys to try my lip glosses out. Just a little bit about the website again. I will be offering single lip glosses, but what I will also be doing is offering starter kits for those of you who are interested in starting a lip gloss business and you don't know what to do, how to start, whatever, you don't have time to go out and buy everything and do it. I will be offering the starter kits for you to purchase. I will also be doing wholesale, which means if you want to start a lip gloss business and you don't want to make the lip gloss, I can make the lip gloss for you. I can put it in the tubes for you and ship them out to you. You can choose your colors and I will help you. So I'm just really looking forward to this new business venture. I look forward to being more creative for you guys, creating more products for you guys. But guys, in the next 2 weeks, I'll be launching, and as soon as I get an exact date for you, I will let you know. Kharyzma4u.com. My Etsy shop is still etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma4u. If you order from there, you will get free lip gloss samples. Follow me on Instagram, Kharyzma4u Fashion and Kharyzma4u. And I think that's it, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Please be sure to like and share the video, and also subscribe if you haven't already. What are you doing? Subscribe to the channel. I love you all. Bye.